epic 2-week North India tour, from Delhi's buzz to Goa's beaches. Welcome to another adventure with VueX, y'all. Get ready to dive into the heart of incredible India. We're about to embark on an epic 2-week journey, exploring the vibrant north from bustling Delhi all the way down to the sunny beaches of Goa. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a first-time explorer, get ready for a wild ride. We'll be hitting up iconic landmarks, chowing down on mouth-watering street food, and soaking up all the colors and chaos that make India so unique. I'm talking bustling markets, majestic forts, serene temples, and don't even get me started on the food. So buckle up, because this is your ultimate guide to backpacking through North India, complete with insider tips, budget breakdowns, and all the excitement I can pack into a video. Let's go! All right, fam, we've landed in Delhi, the capital city with energy that'll hit you like a shot of espresso. First things first, grab a prepaid SIM card at the airport. It's a lifesaver. We're starting with the Red Fort, a majestic sandstone masterpiece. Next up, the Qutb Minar, a towering minaret with intricate carvings. And you can't miss India Gate, glowing golden at night. For dinner, dive into Delhi's street food scene, pure flavor explosions. Good morning, Delhi. We're starting our day with Humayun's tomb, a stunning garden tomb that'll give you major Taj Mahal vibes. Trust me, the architecture is mind-blowing. Next, we're finding our zen at the Lotus Temple, a modern architectural marvel shaped like a blooming lotus flower. It's a place for quiet reflection and soaking up the peaceful ambiance. In the afternoon, we're hopping on an express train to Agra, home of the one and only Taj Mahal. The train journey takes about 3 to 4 hours and gives you a glimpse of Indian countryside life. Once you reach Agra, check into your hotel and get ready for an early start tomorrow. We're talking about a once-in-a-lifetime kind of experience. Wake up early, fam. Today, we're witnessing the Taj Mahal at sunrise. Trust me, there's no experience quite like seeing this ivory-white masterpiece bathed in the soft golden light of dawn. After soaking up the Taj's magic, we're heading to the Agra Fort, another impressive Mughal monument that'll transport you back in time. Imagine emperors ruling from these very walls. For lunch, let's indulge in some local Agra delicacies. Think creamy Mughlai curries, fluffy naan bread, and sweet and savory pitha. Later in the afternoon, we're catching a train to Jaipur, the pink city of Rajasthan. The train journey takes about 4 to 5 hours, so sit back, relax, and get ready for more adventures. Chapter 4. Jaipur, the pink city's royal welcome. Welcome to Jaipur, y'all. This city is a visual feast of vibrant colors, stunning palaces, and royal history. Get ready to be charmed. First stop, the city palace, home to the royal family. Next, the Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds. And don't miss the Amber Fort, a hilltop marvel. In the evening, explore Jaipur's bustling bazaars for unique souvenirs. Chapter 5. Stargazing and Southbound adventures. Good morning, Jaipur. We're kicking off our day with a visit to Jantar Mantar, an astronomical observatory that'll make you feel like you've stepped back in time. It's amazing to see how people studied the stars centuries ago. Afterward, we're hopping on a train to Jodhpur, the blue city of Rajasthan. The train journey takes around 4 to 5 hours and offers stunning views of the Aravalli Hills. Once we arrive in Jodhpur, we'll check into our hotel and get ready to explore this enchanting city. Get ready for a whole new adventure. Chapter 6. Jodhpur, where blue hues meet majestic forts. Welcome to Jodhpur, the blue city that's as captivating as its name suggests. Be mesmerized by the blue painted houses cascading down the hillside. Our first stop is the mighty Mehrangarh Fort, offering panoramic views of the city. Its imposing architecture and stories will blow you away. Next, Jaswant Thada, a stunning white marble memorial. The intricate carvings and peaceful ambiance are perfect for reflection. Chapter 7. Udaipur. Romance, royalty, and lakeside dreams. Get ready to be enchanted by Udaipur, the city of lakes, known for its romantic ambiance, stunning palaces, and shimmering waters. Our first stop is the magnificent city palace, an architectural marvel that seems to rise from the shores of Lake Pichola. Explore its courtyards, gardens, and museums, and get lost in its regal charm. Next, we're taking a boat ride on Lake Pichola, where you'll be surrounded by stunning views of palaces, ghats, and hills. As the sun sets, witness the magical play of light on the water, a truly unforgettable experience. In the evening, indulge in a traditional Rajasthani dinner at one of the rooftop restaurants overlooking the lake. Savor the flavors of dal bati churma, gatte ki sabzi, and lal mas while enjoying the cool breeze and enchanting views. Chapter 8. Island Palaces and Desert Adventures. Good morning, Udaipur. Today we're escaping to the tranquil Jagmandir, a stunning palace located on an island in Lake Pichola. Imagine peacocks strutting through courtyards, marble elephants guarding the gates, and breathtaking views of the surrounding lake and city. Afterward, we're bidding farewell to Udaipur and embarking on a journey to Jaisalmer, the golden city located in the heart of the Thar Desert. The journey takes around 8 to 9 hours, so sit back, relax, and get ready for a change of scenery. Upon reaching Jaisalmer, check into your hotel and get ready for an unforgettable desert adventure. Chapter 9. Jaisalmer. Unveil the Golden City's tales. Welcome to Jaisalmer, a city that rises from the desert sands like a mirage. Explore its magnificent fort, intricately carved havelis, and the magic of the Thar Desert. Our first stop is the Jaisalmer Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander its narrow lanes, bustling bazaars, and ancient temples. Next, Patwan Ki Haveli, showcasing the artistry of a bygone era. In the evening, head to the Samsand Dunes for a magical desert experience. Enjoy a camel safari and a breathtaking sunset over the dunes. Chapter 10. From sand dunes to sacred shores. Wake up to the silence of the desert, y'all. This morning, we're taking one last glimpse of the Samsand Dunes before we embark on our journey to Varanasi, the spiritual heart of India. We'll be taking an overnight train journey that'll last around 15 to 16 hours, so make sure you're well prepared with snacks, water, and some entertainment. Trust me, the experience of an Indian train journey is something you won't forget. Upon reaching Varanasi, check into your hotel and get ready to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant culture and spirituality. Chapter 11. Varanasi, where spirituality flows on the Ganges. Welcome to Varanasi, one of the oldest and holiest cities in India. Prepare to be captivated by the sights, sounds, and spirituality that permeate every corner of this ancient city. We'll start our day with a sunrise boat ride on the sacred Ganges River, witnessing the mesmerizing rituals and ceremonies that unfold along its ghats. It's a truly humbling and spiritual experience. Next, we'll visit the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the most revered Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Be prepared for crowds and immerse yourself in the temple's vibrant energy. In the evening, witness the Ganga Aarti, a mesmerizing ceremony where priests perform fire rituals on the banks of the Ganges. The sight of the flickering flames, the chanting of mantras, and the aroma of incense create a truly magical atmosphere. Good morning, Varanasi. Today we're taking a short trip to Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas. We'll take a scenic train journey that lasts around 5 to 6 hours. offering stunning views of the Indian countryside. Upon reaching Rishikesh, head to Laxmanjula, a suspension bridge over the Ganges River, and soak up the spiritual vibes. Later in the day, we'll catch our flight to Goa from Dehradun Airport, which is the nearest airport to Rishikesh. Get ready to trade the spiritual landscapes for sunny beaches and Goan vibes. While in Goa, make sure to visit Baga Beach, known for its vibrant nightlife and exciting water sports. And hey, don't miss the breathtaking Dudhsagar waterfalls, a natural wonder you have to see. Explore the Basilica of Bom Jesus, a UNESCO World Heritage Site rich in history. And Juna Flea Market is where you can soak in the local culture. Goa is a paradise, and we will be putting together a detailed Goan itinerary for you in the not-so-distant future. All right, adventurers, let's break down the budget for this epic 2-week North India trip. For 2 people, you can expect to spend around $1,000 to $1,500, covering everything from accommodation and transport to food and activities. Of course, you can adjust this based on your travel style. Now, packing essentials. Pack light, breathable clothes, comfortable shoes for all that walking, and a scarf or shawl for temples. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat for those sunny days. The best time to visit North India is during the cooler months, from October to March. Expect warm days and chilly nights. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. And there you have it, adventurers, your ultimate guide to backpacking through North India, from the bustling streets of Delhi to the tranquil beaches of Goa. I hope this video has inspired you to explore this incredible country and create your own unforgettable memories. Comment below if you'd like to see different itineraries, like maybe a South India adventure, or even a trip through Thailand. I'm always down for more travel shenanigans. Don't forget to like, share this video with your travel buddies, and subscribe to VueX for more epic adventures. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy. VueX. So, are you ready to experience the magic of India for yourself? I hope this video has ignited your wanderlust and given you a taste of what awaits. Whether you're drawn to the historical riches, the spiritual depth, or the vibrant culture, North India has something for everyone. If you're craving a different kind of adventure, let me know in the comments. I'm always down to explore new destinations and create more epic itineraries. Hit me with your dream trip, and let's make it happen. For now, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.